Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach third lesson in social science subject. The title of the lesson is Municipality and Corporation. The title of the lesson is Municipality and Corporation. Children, this is very important lesson. You must know what is municipality, what is corporation, and what are the sources of income of corporation, and what are the sources of income of corporations, and what is tax, why should we pay the tax. Many interesting things we are going to learn in this lesson. Children, what is municipality? Municipality is a form of local government. Okay, municipality is a form of local government in a small town where 50,000 to 1 lakh people live. Can you understand, children? What is municipality? Municipality is a form of local government in a small town where 50,000 to 1 lakh people live. Okay, children. Next you see what is corporation. Okay, certain municipalities will be declared by the government of Tamil Nadu as corporation based on high population and high revenue. Can you understand, children? High population and high revenue. That type of people living in that place called corporation. What is corporation? Certain municipalities will be declared by the government of Tamil Nadu as corporation based on high population and high revenue. Okay, children? Small town where people lived 50,000 to 1 lakh. Okay, that is called municipality. Where people live high population and high revenue, it is called corporation. Okay, children, what are the duties of municipality? Okay, listen carefully. First one, providing street lamp. Providing street lamp. Second one, constructing library and its maintenance. Constructing library and its maintenance. Third one, maintaining local market. Fourth one, providing drinking water facilities. Fifth one, constructing roads. Constructing roads. Sixth one, removing garbage dumps. Okay, children? Okay. For this maintenance and development, municipality need income. Is it? Okay. What is the source of income for the work done by municipality? Central government and state government provide the money. People also pay in the form of house tax, professional tax, drinking water tax, shop tax, road tax and drainage tax. It also forms the income of municipality. Children, what is tax? Taxes are one of the primary sources of income. Income for the government, paying by the people. Okay. Why should we pay taxes? The money you pay in taxes goes to many places. Children, our tax helps to paying the salaries of government workers and helps to ensure the roads you travel on are safe and well maintained. Our tax money not only helping for maintaining roads, it maintaining for public properties like parks, libraries and hospitals. Okay children, take your book, page number 150. In this page, we are going to learn about the structure of the local bodies. The structure of the local bodies. Urban local bodies are corporation, municipality, town panchayat. Rural local bodies are district panchayat, panchayat union, village panchayat. Okay children, do you know the meaning of urban and rural? Urban means the area is the region surrounding a city. Urban areas are very developed. It means there is density of human structures such as houses, commercial buildings, roads, bridges and railways. We are living in urban areas. Okay. So next, what is the meaning of rural area? Rural areas connected with the country, not with the town. Rural areas are the opposite of urban areas. Rural areas often called the country have low population. Low population density and large amounts of undeveloped land. Okay children. Children, father of municipality is president. Father of municipality is president. Okay, the head of the municipality is called the president. The president and the members of the municipalities are elected by the people directly. The tenure of the members is 5 years. One of the members of the municipality is selected as vice president. Okay children, in next video I'll teach what is corporation, what is the source of income to the corporation. Okay, thank you children.